indie hacker, developer, marketer. I wear a lot of hats. ብዙ ነገሮችን አደርጋለሁ ግን mostly I program, I build websites, and I've been doing it for the
Nice.
last 15 years. Um, it's a good job to be in. It's a good business to be in. And anyways, ከአቤኒ
Yes,
ጋር
sir.
ከተዋወቅን በኋላ I just wanted to kind of, we think alike. ስለዚህ I said, you know what, why don't we
Yeah.
ለምን አናወራባቸውም? አንዳንድ በስልክ እናወራለን እና አንዳንዴ ለምን እኚህን ሀሳቦቻችንን ሪኮርድ እያደረግን ለምን ዲስከስ እናደረግም? አንዳንድ ድንገት አንድ ሰው ልንረዳ እንችላለን በሚለው ነው ይህን ለመቅዳት የጀመርነው። ኤኒዌይስ እና አቤኒ ደግሞ
Absolutely. Let me
ራስህን
introduce
አስተዋውቅ።
myself quickly now. Yeah, ስሜ አቤኔዘር ይባላል። እኔም እንዳንተ I wear so many hats, so I like to call myself builder. That's the new title I give myself because that's what I enjoy at the end of the day. I programmer ነኝ ይል ነበረ, now AI came out, so I cannot keep that, right?
Exactly.
You know, if I keep the title builder, I think I'm gonna stay here for a while. So yeah. እንዳንተ እኔም ከልጅነቴ ጀምሮ ነው ቢልድ ማድረግ የጀመርኩት from literally like I don't know age of 9 or something. I've always built stuff, right? So back home Ethiopia ያለው assembling different things ምናምን ነገር, and obviously at some point that became very hard ምክንያቱም ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ እንደምታውቀው hardware is very hard to find. እና so I turned that into software ማለት ነው, obviously, because once I had laptop እጄ ላይ ከገባ በኋላ በቃ why not do programming or ደግሞ coding በሚለው ወደዛ እንትን አደረኩ. Professionally እኔ I would say for the past 8 years I've been working with code, wearing so many hats, and now with this crazy AI time I can call myself full-time vibe coder, so that's what I do.
Yes sir, we're gonna vibe our way to the millions.
Yes sir. And that's also
to the billions
I think one of
አትልም እንዴ
our
አንተ?
goal, right?
ከፋ አታረገውም እንዴ?
Oh, sorry. That's also one of our goal. I
Go
think
ahead.
የሆነ ድሌ አለና አንተ
እሺ
ጋር ሲመጣ, and hopefully I think it will clear out.
እሺ
Yeah, ሁለታችን ባይዘው የተለያየ ቦታ ሆነን ነው ይሄን ሪኮርድ የምናደርገው, so if there is any glitch or anything, forgive us. Like I said, this is our first episode. No, I was just saying የምናውቃቸውን ነገሮች በፖድካስት መልኩ ሼር ለማድረግ ነው. One of our goal, right?
Correct. And yeah, I mean, so combined experience of 30 ዓመት.
You can call that, exactly.
I don't get it.
Exactly.
And AI companies እንደዛ ይሉታል. Like መቶ ሰው ይቀጥሩና everybody's been working on AI for like 20 years, right? Is that we have 2000 years of experience. I mean, just like that. Anyways,
that is
ሂሳቡ እንደዛ
crazy.
ግራ ያጋባኛል. እና
yeah, why this is the best time in history to build with AI? በአማርኛ እስኪ ተርጉምልን።
ትርጉም ላይ እኔ ብዙም አይደለሁም ግን
let me try. እስኪ ሂድበት
በቃ ጊዜው አሁን ነው ለመስራት ጊዜው አሁን ነው። በኤአይ ኮድ አድርጋችሁ ታይም is now website. It could be a web app መሆን ይችላል. It doesn't always have to be iPhone app or Android app መሆን የለበትም. እኔ personally I've never shipped an iPhone app. Right? Yeah, I've never shipped an iPhone app. Like launch ያደረኩት የለም ጀምሬ አቁሜያለሁ. It's just too much work.
Okay.
እና
it really is.
Yeah, like it's just like ያማል ከዛ የአፕሩቫል ፕሮሰሳቸውን መጠበቅ ግን it's በጣም rewarding እና thankfully almost all my apps are web apps, websites ናቸው እና you can do anything. You can even sell PDFs. You can sell whatever it is. So ስለዚህ just have go ahead. ምን ልትል ነበር?
To quickly interject, not only digital products, ትላንት የሆነ I think IG ላይ መሰለኝ የሆነበት የሆነ ቪዲዮ አየሁ ማለት ነው. There is this company, ምናልባት አሁን look it up እና so ሃርድዌርን ቫይብ ለማድረግ ምንድነው ቫይብ ኮዲንግ, right? ቫይብ ኮዲንግ for apps ነው ግን ደግሞ ለሃርድዌር ማለት ነው. let me like
really
ይሄ ሜታ ግላስ ነው አይደለ? የሆነ ክሬዚ አይነት ነገር ልስራ ብል you can actually
th-
ምናልባት ወደ በኋላ look it up ግን the
3D
way
printing ነው?
ካየሁት እንዴት ነው የሚሰራው ሶ ቦርዱ ላይ የቦርዱን ዲዛይን ያደርግልሃል ኤቭሪቲንግ ማለት ነው እዛው
Okay,
ቴስት
okay.
ታደርገዋለህ ከዛ
Interesting.
you can just እዛው እንትን ነው uses cloud on the back end ቴስት አድርገህ everything you can just order the product
Wow.
isn't
Wow.
that crazy
That's
yeah
awesome. እኔ የሃርድዌር ኤክስፒሪየንስ ወፍ የለኝም ስለዚህ can't say much about it.
wow
But that's awesome, man. That's awesome. No, anyways, there's so
yeah
many apps to be built. There's so much opportunity available. So, if you're a curious person, በአማርኛ curious ምን? Yeah, አሳ ጎርጓሪ ዘንዳ ይወጣል የሚባል ነገር አለ። ታውቃለህ እሱ?
ዘንዳ ይወጣል I think ጎርጓሪ is the right word because they used to call me
ጎርጓሪ
ጎርጓሪ yeah that's exactly what the word is
curious
wow
curious እና ያ የሚጓጓ ጉጉ ልዩ ይላል እዚህ ጋር ዲስክሪፕሽን ላይ እና if you're a curious person interested in how things work, there's no reason why you shouldn't be building right now, especially በዚህ ሰዓት where it's it's so cheap. You don't even need the subscription. $20 subscription ይሰራል ግን አንዳንዱ አሁን ያንንም አፎርድ ማድረግ ማለት በፍሪ ፕላን ስራ መስራት
yes sir
እኔ I just wish ቀን እኔ እንጃ ቀኑ ደብል ቢሆንልኝና ኤነርጂ ቢኖረኝ I think I'll just be cranking out 30 apps or even we just
yeah
work on one big successful one, it's just crazy በዚህ ሰዓት ያለው opportunity.
you know ከዚህ topic ሳንወጣ I wanna ask you this
Yeah.
so building is so easy right now and so many people are building with AI what do you think the user experience would be right so ተጠቃሚዎቹ እንዴት ነው አሁን so ለምሳሌ አንተ አንድ iOS app ለመስራት በፊት 1 አመት ከወሰደብህ አሁን 1 ቀን ነው የሚወስድብህ right እና በዚህ ፍጥነት if you can put out apps and like competition ውስጥ እንዴት ነው የሚሆን እና ደግሞ ምንድን ነው ማለት እንደዚህ አፕ በዚህ ፍጥነት ሰዎች ክራንክ ማድረግ there market is there even going to be a market for it የሚለውን እስኪ ትንሽ እናውራበት
so your overall question is ገበያው ላይ supply ይበዛል of applications because everyone and their mom is now building apps, and the quality of apps is also like just tons of garbage apps because everybody's vibe coding security alone and I got it shippy yet. Of course, this is the downside
it's they call it ምንድነው slop
yeah slopification of apps and now there's slop is everywhere, right? በዚህ ሰዓት ስሎፕ ማለት እንተርጉመውና በቃ የሆነ how do you say slop ራሱ አዲስ ቃል ነው ግን በቃ ያልተጣራ ተጨንቀውበት ያልሰሩት it's just በቃ በኬርለስሊ የተሰራ ነገር አፕ ስለዛ ነው እየበዛ ነው sadly ምንም ማድረግ አይችልም አፕል ለምሳሌ they're approving less apps nowadays, by the way, because
it's getting very hard.
Yeah, everybody is uploading an app a day. apps. But it's again gatekeeper. Imagine you own a website. You just have to drive traffic to it, right? So, a ninja just build something that has customers, something that is your own pain solve ነገር and then let the customers decide whether it's a slop or not, right?
Yeah, not only that ቀደም እንዳልከው it's becoming almost uploading a picture, right? So of course Apple is going to be very strict when it comes to letting what type of app በተለይ app they're very Apple but በጣም picky ናቸው and you'd be surprised even Android
አንተ ስንት ፈጀብህ
የወርክአውቱን አፕ በጣም I think የመጀመሪያ rejection I had few rejection so I used this skill called I think iOS store optimizer ነው ምናምን የሚባል የክላውድ skill ተጠቅሜ that kind of pre-checked everything for me before I send it off ማለት ነው so እሱ ትንሽ አፈጠነልኝ even right now የሆነ እንትን ማነው ሰሚት አድርጌያለሁ for review and it's taking forever እኔ እንደውም I had ምንድነው iOS አፖችን ሰምት አድርግ ግን አንድሮይድ አድርጌ አላውቅም ነበር እና obviously ለዚህ አፕ አንድሮይድ ቢልድ አድርግ የሚል በጣም እንትን ሳገኝ I start building the Android version and እሱን ሰምት ሳደርገው bro it's a hassle like 14 ሰው ማግኘት አለበት ቴስተር and they have to like test it in a certain way
No
ምናምን ነገር እና
way. ቴስት ፍላይት 14 ሰው ሚኒመም ያስፈልጋል?
ያ የእንትን የአንድሮይድ
Yeah.
እንግዲህ አስበው በተለኛ ውጪ ለምንኖር ሰው አንድሮይድ ዩዘር ማግኘት it's very hard.
That's crazy.
Everyone
by
is
the
on
way.
iPhone እና
ኢትዮጵያ አትልከውም?
የሆነ መንገድ አግኝቻለሁ ምናልባት ሌላ ቀን ሼር እናደርገዋለን ግን በሱ መንገድ I was able to get the 14 tester. Right now I'm just back and forth. Yeah, we might not want to say that.
ችግር የለ
Yeah, no. So yeah, I guess going back to our point, it's becoming harder and harder to submit your app to,
exactly.
you know, this app distributor, right? So እሱ ነገር ነው ከባዱ ግን I don't know if you heard iOS የሆነ lawsuit number 2 or a year ago to not restrict people only to go through an app store እና እሱ ነገር I think Europe ውስጥ already happen አድርጓል ሌላም ቦታ happen ማድረግ ከጀመረ this is gonna go even crazier ማለት ነው የበለጠ
of course በጣም that's gonna open the floodgates. Yeah. ግን I think ease of use iPhone app አሪፍ ነው እውነቱን ለመናገር ፔመንት ኢንቴግሬሽን ምናምን ሰው እኮ ይረሳል ስንትና ስንት ሰብስ 299 a week እየከፈለ ያለ ሰው አለ you know.
Yeah. But they take a lot. They take a lot.
Yeah, exactly. They do take 30% ይወስዳሉ
Yeah, እንደዛ ነገር ይወስዳሉ በጣም
which is okay. But by the way, if you make under $1 million, they don't take it. ኩታካል yeah, you can apply for a smaller amount.
Bro, if I get to that point, I don't even care if they take. ያችን ኤም ካለፍኳት so
yeah.
ያችን yeah. That's the one. That's
ይታለፋል
That's the 1 million question የሚሉት ለነሱ ነው ይታለፋል I'm sure በተለይ
ሂሳቡን ባለፈው ብያለሁ 83337 ምናምን ነው በወር መስራት ያለብህ
basically የአንድ ሰው ደሞዝ በወር ነው የአንድ ሰው yearly ደሞዝ በወር ትሰራለህ and you become a millionaire in a year.
With the way things go viral, TikTok ላይ በለው Instagram ላይ በለው some people are making ridiculous amounts. ይደረሳል. It's just about the right idea. ከዛ the right execution.
Speaking of the right idea, so we're both ሁለታችንም we're familiar with YC, right? Y Combinator, one of the largest startup incubator on earth.
Yeah.
Period. So እነሱ they have this free resource. They call it the startup school ምንድን ነው?
Startup
YC
school
curriculum? I don't know what. Yeah, so እዛ ላይ one of the video it was በጣም almost a year ago ነው ያየሁት እና still I kind of filter all the ideas through that ማለት ነው target idea የሚሉት አሉ አይደለ
yeah
can you look up the term why they call it target? I think there was this specific እንትን ከእንቁራሪት ጋር የተያያዘ ቀለም ይለከዳል አንተ ሉክ አፕ እስክታረገው እኔ let me describe what like ምን እንደ አንዳንድ አይዲያ በጣም like ከላይ ስታያቸው they're very sexy, right? You feel you feel like they're going to make you a millionaire ምናምን ነገር ማለት ነው but deep down they're just target or like trapping below I guess እና let me know find out ካረከው ለምን target እንዳለ ግን ኮንሰፕቱ አይዲያቹን የሆነ ቆም ብሎ did you አገኘው?
Yeah I got it. ላምበበልህ
Okay.
So basically, carpetism metaphors. Yeah. So ታረ እንትን ነው ይሄ ምንድን ነበር ይሄ ብዙ ጊዜ ታርን ፌዘር የሚሉት ነገር አለ ስትረግጠው ይይዛሃል እግርህን አያስነሳም
እንደ ጭቃ
ሬንጅ
it's called rugrug yeah
ሬንጅ እንደ ጭቃ ሬንጅ ምናምን ሬንጅ አሁን አስፋልት ልክ እንደተነጠፈ ስትረግጠው ይይዝ የለ we used to do that ድሮ አገር ቤት ልክ ዶዘሩን አጥፎት እንደሄደ እንቆምበትና ለመነሳት እንታገላለን እና basically the whole idea is the whole idea is these ideas are በቃ እንዳልከው አሁን describe እንዳደረከው they look good ግን በቃ እዛ አጣብቀው ይገሉሃል they'll just waste your time, right? So I'm reading the description here is some of the app ideas, ለምሳሌ they try to solve a problem that everyone relates to, like a restaurant discovery or what to watch on TV, but suffer from low purchase frequency and like very hard to monetize. Another ad is
I think the keyword here is the universal problem, right?
universal
ብዙ
problem.
ሰዎች ፌስ ያደርጓቸዋል በሚል
It's not niche down የሆነና አንድ specific የሆነ problem.
Yeah, don't get me wrong, they do work እኮ. You just have to be specific. It's gonna be very hard time. ለምሳሌ በጣም ኦልሬዲ ሪች ያለው ሰው እንደነ ማነው የኢትዮጵያው ታዋቂ ሼፍ እንደ ማርከስ አይነት ሰዎች ኦልሬዲ ኔትወርኩ ያላቸው ሰዎች they can leverage that. ያው not to discourage እንደዚህ አይነቶችን ግን I think they're not advisable for the first time founder.
Yeah, ደግሞ small thing as a solo founder or even ሁለት ሶስት አራት ሆነ you really want to hone in on like unit and እና ከዛ ነው even expand ማድረግ ካለብህም ከዛ vertical ቀስ እያልክ የምትወጣው in the beginning universal የሆነና ሰፋ ያለ በጣም ከባድ
በጣም
it's very tough so you want to solve
common idea marketplace ideas like Craigslist killer ምናምን ብለን የምንጀምራቸው ማለት ነው Craigslist ምናልባት ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ላይ ታወቅ ይችላል
these things can work በጊዜ these things can work but it's already out Craigslist በጊዜው ምንም አልነበረም Craigslist እንዴት እንደጀመረ ታውቃለህ?
No.
It started in 95. It started with the guy Craig. He used to make a list.
His name is Craig. Wow.
Craig Newman, I believe that's his name. Let me double check. Craig's list. Newmark. Yeah, Craig Newmark. Very nice guy, by the way. That guy. He's a billionaire. Anyways, and now he started as a list, simple list.
Wow.
Because he was early, 95. Started in San Francisco. A friend wants to rent. To let the file. Craig and I ያገናኛል እንደዛ ምናምን ነገር ነበር የጀመረው. It was a small list. ከዛ ነው እያደገ የመጣ. But nowadays, Craigslist is virtually dead, right?
I mean, I still use it, so ይጠቀመዋል.
Yeah, and the draw prominence yellow Facebook Marketplace now OfferUp and all those things. They've come and yeah, I do find something sometimes once a year. የሆነ ነገር ስፈልግ ቼክ አደርገዋለሁ. ግን
ግን አውቀው ነው ዩአይውን እንደዛ በጣም ዳም ያደረጉት like they still keep the UI from the 20s ምናምን ነገር.
Dude, that UI was so bad, right? I mean, it's not bad. By the way, the fastest loading website now.
Is it really?
So
for
fast.
that size?
It's so fast, right? To the point where they used to, I remember back in the day, I used to specifically London in the American TV, I used to just as a view source they don't even use like they don't even link out like CSS. They render everything እዛው በዛው ማለት externally host
ስንለው ምናልባት ስክሪንሻት አድርገን ማሳየት አለብን
ዌብሳይት Craigslist they don't even render external አይጠቀሙም እና it was just crazy. አንደኛ ነገር if I'm not mistaken, dude owns it, right? The outright. And the concept of የሆነ FU money የሚባለውን ኮንሴፕት ታውቃለህ?
What is that?
You have so much money that ማንንም አትሰማ የፈለግከውን ታደርጋለህ.
Wow.
እና you're not beholden to anyone. የለህ ማንም መጥቶ እንዲያርግ so Craigslist ሰውየው እዛ ከደረሰ 25 ዓመት በቃ it's just የካምፓኒው ethos ነው an ugly but functional website. Literally mapping feature mapping everywhere. Like ለምሳሌ they don't even use Google Maps, they use OpenStreetMaps. በጣም በቃ አንታይ ትሬንድ ናቸው. ትሬንዱ እንዲከሄደ እነሱ እንዲህ ነው የሚሉት. ይመችኛል.
ስማ I feel like AI የሚል ወርድ ፊልተር የሚያደርጉም ይመስለኝ ሳስበው.
They might. They really might. And funny story, back in the day I built a Craigslist beautifier Chrome extension.
Did you really?
Yeah, and free no, but ሳይቱን I hated it so much to learn CSS ምናምን ሰራኝና Chrome extension it only works on Craigslist. ፏ ያደርግልሃል በቃ ያሳምርልሃል እንደዛ አድርጌ
Wow.
ነበር I used to be anyways we're going on a tangent
That might be a
እንደዚህ
good idea to revisit right now because, you know, the thing is, like I said, Craigslist and ሰዎች ይጠቀሙታል. You know what you can do?
I
You
just
can
beautified
clone.
የሚያደርገው Go ahead.
Yeah.
No.
No, I was gonna say I like Facebook Marketplace UI, በጣም ነው የምወደው ማለት ነው. So if you can somehow, you know, beautify ሲያደርገው, if it can match that until UI, I think it's a very valid idea. በጣም አሪፍ አይዲያ ይመስለኛል.
ግን it's not, you know, ብር የሚከፈልበት አይዲያ አይደለም።
I know.
Yeah.
Speaking of Tarpit idea, this could be one of them, right?
Yeah, by the way, I don't and so one thing, yeah, I'm all about business again. If you build an app that makes your life easy, you already won. That's enough, you know.
That's it.
That's enough of a success on its own, right? I have a lot of little Chrome apps or Chrome extensions that I build to make my life a lot easier. Right?
Just for yourself. Wow.
and አንዳንዱ በጣም ይለጥፈዋለሁ by the surprisingly የተወሰነ ሰው ይጠቀመዋል። like ለምሳሌ one of them is anytime I see a stock ticker, a stock symbol, ለምሳሌ የአፕል አሁን AAPL ነው ወይም የጉግል GOG ነው። I'm like it's one of my interests, right? እና it highlight ያደርግልኛል, auto link ያደርገዋል to my favorite stock analyzing website, you know? So anytime I'm visiting a thing, somebody's talking about a certain company or certain stock, እሱን underline አድርጎ highlight ያደርግልኛል. Let me see if it's እንትን ላይ አይደለ? Yeah. And not that's it wasn't to make money. Gonna made my life so much easier, right? So we can build apps. We can build apps, vibe code apps to make our life easier, and that's a success. You know, it doesn't always have to be about. Yeah, we are. At the end of the day, we are trying to make money. You know, money buys you so much freedom, so much. Life is easier with money. So that's the.
Yes, sir.
We're not being foolish with that. Anyways, let's go. ልልክልህ እየፈለግኩ እኮ ነው ያን አፕ።
Yeah, I think እንዳልከው you know ምን ቢልድ የምናደርጋቸው አፖች ነው. The opposite of Tarpit idea is idea that are very focused. ለምሳሌ Craigslist ብንወስድ Craigslist for our part has more success than just building, you know, markets. I know you know a lot about SEO ምናምን ነገር. You can focus on those keywords እና እሱ ላይ እነሱን ማርኬት አድርገህ ራሱ you know who to go to. አሁን when you have like a Craigslist አሁን በብዛት ብዙ ጊዜ በቃ almost any ሀበሻ ቢልድ ያደረገው አፕ ቢኖር ሀበሻ ማርኬትፕሌስ I'm sure you built it at some point. ሀበሻ ማርኬትፕሌስ ቢልድ ያላረገ በተለይ ዩኤስ ውስጥ የምትኖሩ ከሆነ ቴክ ላይ ባክግራውንድ ካላችሁ you've built that sometime. At least you've thought about it. Build about
it. አድርጌዋለሁ ወይ ወንድሜ ራሱ ቢልድ አድርጎ።
There you go. We all have.
Bro, እዛ ነው የጀመርኩት. Literally, that's how I started. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I remember back in the day, I had a website name. ይቅርታ ቀጥል።
No. I was just, you know, just Tarpit ideaዎችን you can just ከሩቅ ስሜል ታደርጋቸዋለህ እና እና ግን እያወራን ነበረ ዶሜን ኤክስፐርት ያለብን አሁን ለምሳሌ you know እናንተ like one common thing that we have is like we're passionate about fitness, right? So we can do something related to fitness. ግን አሁን ለምሳሌ ስለ የሆነ ፋሽን ብጠይቀኝ በተለይ እኔን I'm not sure about you, bro, it's an industry that I don't understand. I just don't get it. Yeah. So you know, now also I just domain expertise really matters when it comes to still why this is the best time in history to build a million topic እያወራን ነው ስለ አይዲያ እያወራን ነው specifically እና
በጣም advantage ይሰጣል. It's a huge advantage, especially አንተ የምታውቀው ኢንዱስትሪ ውስጥ ከሆነ it's a huge advantage by the way. ዶሜን ኤክስፐርቲዝ ያለህ ማለት ነው። እንትናን ታውቀዋለህ? ዲ ነው ነቫል ራቪካንት የሚባለው ሰውዬ really he's a founder now turned philosopher / investor, and he's an investor in a lot of things, a billionaire. Now he has this Venn diagram አለው ብዙ ጊዜ እና የሆነች Venn diagram it's just where all the three connect is where you want to be, right? እና እንዳልከው ያንተ ኤክስፐርቲዝ ያለበት አሁን for you building a gym app is going to be a lot of joy.
Yeah, በጣም
you know እና ይመችሃል and you have like unlimited energy ነው ያለ እና ኤነርጂ የሚሰጥህ ኢንዱስትሪ ውስጥ ኤነርጂ የሚሰጥህ ነገር ውስጥ ካለ ሰዓቱን አታየው. you don't look at the clock, you just keep working, right? So
just build, man, crank out.
yeah, exactly. እና አንዳንድ ሰው አይዲያን ይሰርቃል ምናምን ትላለህ. that's አረ ይስረቅ ሰጠዋለሁ አይዲያን. if I have energy, if I'm really like deeply interested in that idea and that industry, nobody can outwork me. Why? It's like innate. እኔ ውስጥ ያለ like ውስጥ ያለ ኃይሉ አለኝ, ኤነርጂው አለኝ. And I'm really like passionate about it, right? So it's a huge advantage to work on የሆነ ኤክስፐርቲዝ ያለህ ነገር ላይ ፓሽን ያለህ ነገር ላይ መስራት በጣም ትልቅ አድቫንቴጅ ይሰጣል from the competition. እንደዛ ነው ማስበው እንትኑን
ኖ አይ እንዳልከው to be honest ይሄ ፓሽን የምንሆንበት ነገር ላይ ስንሰራ it's something that we care about አይደለ እንዳልከው የፊትነሱ it's a good example. አፑን ባንሰራም we're gonna talk about it anyways, right? አስበው any talking point can be your marketing with your interest in the product that you're working on online ማለት ነው. so እሱ ነገር በጣም I think ወሳኝ ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ እና okay, the diagram interesting. Yeah, this is so I think to describe to our listener describe ለማድረግ ያክል the right business partner, I see, the right business partner, so energy, integrity, and high intelligence. Do you want to explain that?
Energy?
No, in general diagram on
the right business partner, yeah. I mean it's just self-explanatory, you know. It's very self-explanatory. Good, I might have sent you quite Google fail እያደረገኝ ታውቃለህ.
You say me the wrong today. I looked at it and I was like
that's why we're not live.
I guess to explain, he sent me the wrong stuff and I explained ለማድረግ ስሞክር like I started looking at it, but then I was like it says the right business partner, like we're talking about the right business idea.
Bro, this is why bro. I love it. This is why it's not live, you know.
And the fact that you say that's self-explanatory alco. I was like explaining that.
And you know,
have you seen one of those have you seen one of those videos የሆነ ጆክ እንትን ይሉና ይስቁና you get it ሲሉ ያሲሉ explain ሲሉት እንደዛ ነው. That was the
bro, we're okay. I think it's I can't find. Yes sir.
It's funny stuff.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah,
that was funny.
Him no. It is funny, man. I didn't know. So special. Oh, okay. I just saw it. Yeah, video. I think ቅድም እንዳልኩህ እኔ ጋር ፋይን ነው ያን ጋር ባድ ከሆነ
I think yeah ከሎካል ስለሆነ እንትን የሚለው yeah. So I think ይሄ በጣም ትክክለኛውን ዳያግራም የላክልኝ.
Yeah. So
it says your passion, your skill set, your mission. Okay, go ahead.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is the Venn diagram that Naval was talking about. Yeah, specific knowledge Venn diagram. You have something that you're passionate about, then your skills match or can build that passion, work on that passion, and your mission in life aligns with that passion. Stop at again. Nobody can stop you. You know.
Yes, sir.
This is one of those things. But just find that intersection. Find that intersection, and you'll have all the energy in the world to work on it.
Yeah. Also, እዚህ ጋር አንድ ጥያቄ ልጠይቅህ። ይሄን ከብዙ ሰዎች ስለምሰማ ነው ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ይሄን ዳያግራም ሚት የሚያደርግ አይዲያ ያገኘን በል አይደለ? ፓሽን፣ ስኪል ሴት ኤንድ ሚሽን already cool. We have already product is out there. Build no ለሚል ሰው what's your like honest advice? If that was you,
Oof.
well, would you stop right out? ታቆማለህ
No,
መስራቱን?
no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't
Mm.
because competition is actually good. It means there's a market,
Nice.
right? The worst thing to do is work on an idea that has no market, that has no customers. That's the worst thing to do. And I know a bit about that, you know. So you see competition already አንድ ሁለት ሰው ሰርቶበታል. Perfect. አምስተኛው ግባ. It's big enough. It's literally big enough, right? በጣም ደስ ሊል ነው የሚገባው እንደዛ ሲሆን somebody's working on it. A lot of times the clone ወይም ሁለተኛ የሰራው ሁለተኛው ነው የገባው eventually becomes the winner. አስረኛው ነው የገባው ደግሞ
አጥንቶ ነው የሚመጣው።
አስረኛው ነው የገባው ራሱ እስከ አራተኛ አምስተኛ ይመጣል። ግን after we're talking about like basically in this like the internet business world and this application apps business, we're talking like billions and millions የሚሰራበት እኮ ነው። የአንተ አፕ ይሰራ ይግባ. You know, you're gonna walk out with እነሱ 3 ቢሊዮን ሲሰሩ አንተ 1 ሚሊዮን ከሰራ it's huge.
That's huge.
That's huge.
That's very huge. Yeah.
So don't let it deter you. አንዳንዴ ደግሞ what you can do like as they become bigger. አንዳንድ ትናንሽ እንትኖችን ይተዋሉ. They a lot of customers fall off, right? These companies start focusing on getting bigger and better customers. They start focusing on enterprise accounts. And you can go in and service ከዛ drop off የሚያደርጉት in the smaller accounts, right? They start focusing on, you know, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 clients. You go and pick up their $1,000 clients a year, right? And you have a few of those, you're in. But competition ካየህ already አንድ ሰው በጣም አሪፍ, like it's proven low. So I mean ኢትዮጵያ ያው በከኛ ይሏቸዋል አንዱ አንተን ሲከፍት መጥቶ
and usually succeed ያደርጋሉ አይደል?
Yeah, there's enough እዛ መሶብ ውስጥ በቂ ምግብ አለ, you know, በቂ ምግብ አለ. I don't want to say
አንተ መጉረስ ትችላለህ እኔ መጉረስ ትችላለህ.
Exactly. I don't want to use pie as an analogy. The pie is big. መሶብ ውስጥ አልኩ.
Yeah, I mean, I like that. I think ትርጉሙ ምርጥ ነው.
Yeah, it's huge. It's big enough to feed anybody. ስለዚህ it depends. Just build. ያው solve a problem. ይቅርታ.
Solve a problem. Yeah, I like የዋይሲ እንትናቸው በጣም ነው ደስ የሚለኝ ሞቷቸው build something people want. እሱን እኮ እስከሰራ ድረስ ምንም እንትን የለውም። አንተ last time ያልከኝ ነገር በጣም ነው actually inspire ያደረገኝ። somewhere someone is gonna like your app እንላለን አይደለ? አሁን ምናልባት በዚህ አጋጣሚ ስለ ራፐር you know AI rappers የሚባሉ ለምሳሌ የኦፕን AI እንትን ተጠቅሜ I do የራሴን የሆነ quirky some type of like image editor app ልሰራ እችላለሁ ምናምን that ChatGPT can do ማለት ነው. So basically AI rapper የሚባሉ just እነሱ ናቸውና even AI rapper ራሱ ቢሆኑ you know you'll be surprised there's this chat app on App Store ChatGPT ብለህ ታይፕ ስታደርግ ሶስተኛ ነው የማአት ሰው ነው የሚጠቀመው የማአት ሰው ማለት ነው። እና I don't know maybe they're doing something differently እና አይዲያ ተሰራ ብለን ማቆም የለብንም።
You know how many downloads those apps have? It's crazy how many downloads those. They're not even like they're not official. But ስታያቸው they have like 10 million downloads. በትንሹ like 10 million stars አላቸው.
Yeah, that's a lot.
And all it's doing is I mean ይሄ ግን ምንድነው kind of sketchy ነገር ነው ግን ሰው በስርዓት ስፔል ስላላደረገው የሚመጣ አፕ ነው አንዳብዛኛው. Get it does the same function.
If not less, to be honest with
you. Exactly.
በብዛት ChatGPT መስራት የሚችለውን
አይሰራው ግን the amount of ይሄ ደግሞ by the way this is a first mover advantage ያገኙ ሰዎች ናቸው. Before ChatGPT became an iPhone app, it was first the web app, right? እና API ነበረ API ተፈቅዶ ነበረ ማንም ከሱ ጋር ኮኔክት እያደረገ አፕ መስራት ይችላል እና these random apps because there was no official iPhone app they went and made chat ምናምን ብለው chat AI ብሎ they wrapped the API and that's how they got
Yeah.
that first place, you know, that's how they got that first place. And yeah, they're making a killing. They're making a killing. Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
So
yeah, and now go
up.
ahead.
Go ahead. No,
He
finish. Sorry.
So
No, I was just gonna.
it's yeah. So what I was gonna say is it's just especially the wrapper ideas. You just hit the API. API ተጠቅመህ you make a photo, you edit photos to do something so small, so specific. But ምንድን ነው የአንተ ዌብሳይት ላይ you build templates or you build specific የሆኑ ሰዎች ሁሌ ቻትጂፒቲ ላይ እየገቡ እንዳይሰሩ they come to your website and now you add value to it where they can save some settings, some things. You can make a killing in the Java Maragrass. የተለያየ አይነት ነገር በመስራት specifically for industry መግባት ትችላለህ. Specifically for video generation, for image creation, or even just homework ምናምን የተለያዩ ነገሮች ማድረግ ይቻላል እና it's አልተነካም እና it's open field. One of my apps does that and it's going really well.
Yeah. Even rapper ሆኖ ራሱ ዛሬ የሆነ እንትን አየው እንትን ቪዲዮ አየው አይጂ ላይ ማለት ነው እና ክሊክ ሳምቲንግ የሚል አፕ ዋይሲ ገብቷል ባይገርምህ እና ራፐር ሆኖ ራሱ can be a very smart rapper, right? So the way it work is ማውዜን ሙቭ ሳረግ moves with my mouse. ይህን ፖድካስት ሪኮርድ የምናደርግበት ቱል it's our first time today እና ላይክ ራሱ ኮንቴክስት እየወሰደ እንደዚህ ይሄን ካያለ ማውዙ literally ሙቭ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። is a rapper idea ግን smartly wrapped tooling, they call it tooling እና I think እሱ ነው በጣም ወሳኝ ራፕ አርግ that's fine ግን ራፕ ስታደርገው and rapper are winning this time እውነት ራፕ የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ rappers ተብሎ በጣም they used to be downlooked upon ማለት አሁን ላይ ግን if you make a killer rapper up you are a winner, right?
At the end of the day everything is a rapper.
It really is.
Everything is a rapper. You could start deconstructing it. Everything is a rapper.
Get
so
the basic model. Yeah, I think smart tooling is what we should
take
be, after. You know. Yeah. So
got
no, I was gonna say like okay, we did say this is the right time to build, right? And now አሁን ላይ ደግሞ build ማድረጋችን or ሰው ማድረጉ አድቫንቴጁን አየን። What do you think would be the catch, right? So there is something አሁን ለምሳሌ ሁሉም ሰው ስራ አቁሞ build እያደረገበት awareness, obviously that's the purpose of this podcast, right? To make people aware of this possibility እና ግን አንዳንድ ነገር የሆነ ሰው ተነስቶ ዛሬ build አሁን እንዳወራ ነው I mean, it's literally like this. You know, there might be something በቃ የሆነ ስታፕ ሊያረጋቸው የሚችል ነገር እስኪ ምንድን ነው ብለህ ታስባለህ? እኔ have few እስኪ አንተ ምናልባት የምታስብ
ቀጥሎ እስኪ
bottleneck. Yeah, so ለምሳሌ like not knowing you know ቴክኒካል የሆኑ ነገሮች there still could be a barrier, like barrier ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። ምክንያቱም ቅድም አሁን እኔ እናንተ like we're almost a senior, you know, software engineers, right? So እኛ የምናወራውን ነገር በእነሱም ማየት አለብን። ሰው አሁን ለምሳሌ ዲፕሎይመንት ስናደርግ ኦር ደግሞ ጀነራል የሶፍትዌር ላይፍ ሳይክል አንደርስታንድ ስቲል ኤአይ ቢውልድ ቢያደርግላችሁም የት ዲፕሎይ እንደምታደርጉት ማወቅ እንዴት ዲፕሎይ እንደምታደርጉት ማወቅ ስቲል በጣም ወሳኝ ነገር ነው። ሶ I would say still very so still ኤአይውን መጠየቅ አለብህ to get it to the finish line, to get it to part, you know, the marketing. ስለ ማርኬቲንግ definitely we're gonna do a full episode because it's a big topic. I'm sure ሁሉም እየጠየቀ ነው። ኦኬ ቢልድ ማድረግ ቀላል ነው አላችሁን፣ how are we gonna market it የሚለውን I mean we will have to do a new another episode ግን at least for me having like you know the DevOps, knowing how to take app from you know code to ዩዘርስ ሃንድ የሚለውን ነገር ስቲል ፒፕል ማወቅ አለባቸው፣ ሰዎች ማወቅ አለባቸው ብዬ
honestly ይሄ በጣም ኦቨርሉክ ያደረግነው ነገር ነው። በጣም የህድና የሆነ ሄድ ትክክል የተናገርከው because ለእኔና ለአንተ ይሄ በጣም ቀላል ነገር ነው፣ ትንሽ ነገር ነው። it just makes our life easier and makes us you know 10x or 20x more productive ግን ምንም ቴክኒካል ኖው ሃው ለሌለው ሰው ገንባ ቢልድ አድርግ ማለት it's dangerous. It's dangerous. Yeah, you can actually build it. Get you know, you and I know how to put it together and make it workable, whether it's in terminal or whatever. All those things are gonna launch bad. So
Yeah.
before even out any, if somebody's serious about this thing, I think I would say teach, become somewhat familiar with code. At least በዚህ ሰዓት instead of ቀጥታ ከመገንባት instead of vibe coding, I mean you can just vibe code your way, you know. ግን አንዳንዴ ማወቁና ራስን ማስተማሩ, you kind of give yourself a few months and just teach yourself the basics of for example web programming, right? And now I come from the web development world. I'm not professionally trained. I'm not, my degree is in business, you know,
Oh,
but
is
I
it?
taught myself,
Okay.
yeah,
Wow.
my degree is in business and marketing concentration with a little bit of econ ነገር ግን I taught myself on YouTube 15 years ago, but cause that's my background, right? So what I would say is ምንም ለማታውቁ ኮድ ለማታውቁ ሰዎች teach yourselves, learn some code. If you're interested in the web, for example, I know you know, everybody makes fun of it, but PHP that's my bread and butter. Right? But it's PHP, you know, the LAMP stack, PHP, JavaScript, HTML, all those things. Facebook was built with PHP. As far as I'm, you know, I need to code PHP. You know, look, I'm comfortable.
Wow.
Still to this day, all my projects are PHP. Why? It's just so fast. I know it. Within 10 seconds, I spin up whatever you want, right? We have frameworks, Laravel, Manami, Tabalu. I use that a lot. Again, you'll be very dangerous if you know code.
Yep.
Right?
That's a differentiator, right?
Yeah. Vibe code on AI is making everybody, is making the junior people much more dangerous than the seniors, so in my view, right? Linear programming is a means to an end, you know, it's not my passion. I just want, you know, የሆነ ነገር ሰርቪስ እንዲሰጥ ሶልቭ እንዲያደርግልኝና you know, set me free. Right? That's እንደዛ ነው የማስበው. I'm not a, you know, programmer ነኝ ብዬ ራሴ አልጠራም, but I know it in and out. ሰራዋለሁ, makes me money. It's been keeping the lights on the last however many years, right? So
yep.
hunker down and learn code. የተወሰነ ጊዜ ከዛ በኋላ you'll become a dangerous vibe coder, dangerous you know guy, በተለይ ቴክኒካል ላልሆኑ ሰዎች. What do you think?
Yeah. No, I think በጣም አሪፍ ነው አንተ አርጊያ እንትን ያልከው። እኔም እሱን ነው literally ያልኩት። አንተ more expand አረከው እንዳልከው, knowing that, because like I said ሁሉም ሰው you know እንትን ቫይብ ኮድ የሚያደርግ ከሆነ እንዴት ነው እኔ ለየት የምለው የሚለውን ነገር ነውና so I think leveraging how to know knowing how to code, it's gonna be እንትን ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ።
It's massive. It's a huge differentiator ነው የምልህ.
It really is. It's the difference between someone building and literally not building. Simple as that. በቃ አሁን እናንተ ነገር ስለምናውቅ we've been building things እና ይሄ ሰዎች of course አሁን ለምሳሌ ኮፓይለት መጀመሪያ ሲመጣ it was inside of VS Code, right? አሁን የራሱን የቻለ እንደ ኮዴክስ ከመሆናቸው በፊት they were, so you would have to know how to, you know, read code and understand, and not
even like install VS Code. ግራ ነው የሚገባው ሰው.
Yeah. So
you will learn ደግሞ ትማራለህ እዛው ኮድ ያስተምርሃል እኮ, you know, ላይፍ ያስተምርሃል እዛው ኮድ እያደረግ ትማረዋል.
Yeah, that's the thing. አሁን ላይ ደስ የሚለው እዛው ኮድ እያደረግ ኤክስፕሌን እኮ ማለት ነው። እና don't be lazy vibe coder, because I think እንደሱ አይነት ቅድም I saw a video of this guy saying I just published my product and I know has a lot of bugs and, you know, broken links ምናምን የሚል እንትን ሰጠ፣ ግን use it ምናምን አይነት ነገር ብሎ ቪዲዮ ሰራና ከታች ኮመንቱ ላይ አየው ማለት yeah, he quoted Facebook, right? Facebook መጀመሪያ ሲጀመረ has a lot of broken links and then you know bugs ምናምን ነገር እና እንደዛ ለዛ like just because Facebook did that, you don't have excuse to ship, bugs this day, because you can literally, if you spend more time, you can have AI test it for you and ship
Yeah,
something solid. Let's not use that as excuse. Gaba YC build fast and break things ነው ምናምን የሚሉት. That's back
Facebook
then
ላይ
when like
exactly.
yeah, ኮዲንግ ከባ አሁን ግን እንደሱ ቢውልድ ፋስት ኤንድ ሺፕ ሳምቲንግ ጉድ ላይክ የሆነ ብሬክ የምትለውን ፓርት መቀነስ አለብን። አትሊስት ናው ዊ ሃቭ ዲስ ክሬዚ ሲኒየር ሶፍትዌር ኢንጂኒየር አጠገባችን which is AI, right?
ይፈልግ
Yep. ስማ I heard communication is becoming very difficult because of AI እያሉ ነው። ምክንያቱም AI is always, people pleasing issue አለበት by the way እና እሱን ለምደን አሁን ወተን የሆነ በቃ እንትን ስንል we expect እንትንና I heard someone say like it's so crazy how our expectation grows በጣም so quickly ማለት ነው እና a year ago to get the information you would have to Google, click so many links ምናምን ማለት ነው። አሁን ChatGPT ነው የምንጠይቀው. And if it didn't get it right the first time, we'll get frustrated. Like, and
I mean, የሰው ልጅ adapt ያደርጋል. It adapts. We adapt.
አሁን ላይ ደግሞ it's so quick. በጣም ማለት
very quick. And ሰዎች they're mad because in real life nobody's saying you're absolutely right.
yeah, I mean you are not, by the way. በዚህ አጋጣሚ
you're absolutely right. የሆነ ጊዜ አንዱ ሞዴል ሁሉንም ነገር you're absolutely right እያለ everybody's getting pissed.
yeah, I think እሱ ነገር ትንሽ የቀነሰ ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ, especially when you go to Claude ምናምን. I have to be honest with you ምናምን ይለኛል አንዳንድ ጊዜ, and I like that. That's what we need. With that being said, ለሊስነሮቻችን ለአድማጮቻችን, when it comes, going back to our first topic, when we say this is the best time in history to build with AI, መውሰድ ያለባቸው ብለህ ታስብ?
At least, they will have tried to build something, right? That's by itself ትልቅ ነገር ነው. Yeah. A lot of people are just consumers. Consume ነው የሚያደርገው. At least they would have tried to build something, solve a problem that they have, or solve a problem other people have, which usually is easier to make money with. And በዛም ደግሞ they can gain some knowledge. And problem solve ስታደርግ, that building process teaches you a lot of things. And as you learn, as you build, you will learn. You'll run into tons of problems that just you did not anticipate, because you'll come out sharper, which is kind of what happened to you, what happened to me. I didn't know what DevOps was until one of my sites was
you run into
down because of massive amounts of traffic. Aginto was down for like 2 hours, and I was like, Stack Overflow. Kazani Tamarko, all these things come through experience, and now the building process alone will teach you, arba ነገር. ስለዚህ just experiment. You'll figure something out.
100%. Yeah, አንተም ከቨር አድርገህ ማለት don't wait, just start something. አንድ ጊዜ አንዱ ምን ሲል ሰማሁት, the difference between someone that will succeed and someone that won't. አንደኛው ገና ቢልድ ለማድረግ እያሰበ ነው, the other one already built like 5 or 3 things. I think speed is very ወሳኝ. ቅድም እንዳልናችሁ build fast and break things የሚለውን ነው. build fast and ship things, right? ጨርሶ አንድ ነገር ጀምራችሁ እንትን አትበሉት. When you get excited, I think that's a habit that we really have to build. Always ጀምረን የሆነ pattern develop የምናደርገው over time, and not just force ያን idea pivot ማድረግ. It's totally fine, and don't get in the habit of always starting something and not finishing, and not so get it to a point, move on to something, taste it. If it doesn't work, just move on to the next. ቅድም መች ነው እያወራን ነበር እኔ እናንተ አይደለ? Just throw things, whatever, see which one lands, and then ላንድ የሚያደርገው ላይ ሪኢንቨስት ሞር እላለው። I think
Exactly,
we've saved a lot
exactly.
for our
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's our first እንደዚህ ነገር አድርገን አናውቅም። ብዙ ፕሬፓሬሽን የለንም። ምህረት እያደረጋችሁ
yes yes yes
and
subscribe አድርጉ። many more to come, right? ብዙ እንሰራለን።
yeah, at least we said 5, so we have 4 more. Oh, let's ask them what they want to hear, what they want to see.
I like that.
Because yeah, let's ask them. Like, basically, Tanistan, this would have been a phone conversation, but we decided to record it. If there's any way if anything we talk about, wait me.
ምናልባት ስማ ሪኮርድ አድርገን ራሳችንን እንሰማለን። that's fine too. I would listen again እኔ እሰማዋለሁ ደግሜ።
Yeah, exactly. እና ምንድን ነው I don't want to be one of those things ማይክ ስላላቸው ብቻ የሚወጡ ፖድካስቶች አሉና there's a funny thing just because you know I wish we can add some substance and I hope ለአንድ ሰው የሆነ ሰብስታንቲቭ የሆነ ነገር ልንናገር ምንችል ይሆናል ብዬ አስባለሁ. But I think maybe we'll share some experience that you have, experience that I have, that some beginners might find ትንሽ የሚመራቸው አይነት ነገር ከሆነ ወይም just give them a little glimmer of ideas and like light. Hopefully that's the whole point. That's the whole point. እዚህ እኛ ለመመጋገስ አይደለም ያለ ነው እና hopefully እስቲ እንጠይቃቸዋለን ምን እንደሚፈልጉ ምን እንደምናወራ what direction what they want us to discuss. ለእኛም አዲስ ነው ነገርየው ስለዚህ
well when we say አዲስ ነው we've been listening to podcasts for years and years so listening is not new but doing one is so
yeah exactly. And anyways it ends here.
Yes sir, this was fun.
Yeah,
till next time.
አሪፍ
ከዛ ከጨረስን we just
I think ልዝጋውና I think it will be live እስቲ ቆይ